Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I want to share with you guys how I preserve my basil to last me all year long. Please keep on watching. Some people know this vegetable as curry leaves, while some know it as basil. Basil is one vegetable that I love so much. I love it in my Nigerian stews. It takes it to another level. So I grow it every year. If you've been watching me for a while now, you will tell that I grow basil every year. Basil is very sensitive to cold and frost, so you can only grow it during spring and summer. And you know how you can just walk into a store and you find vegetables like kale, spinach, you rarely find basil. I love to grow mine in bulk and store them and use all year round. I've tried different methods of preserving my basil to use all year round. I've tried to freeze the leaves and the result I got wasn't that excellent, so I tried this method and it was so good. Like, it gave me a great taste when I used it even 1 year later. And here I am sharing it with you guys. So the first thing is to harvest the basil or buy the basil, whatever way you get your basil. Just get the basil, wash and transfer into a colander. Next, I'm going to blend this basil with some bulbs of onions. Okay, I just added onions just for extra flavor. You don't have to add onions, but that's how I've been doing it and the result has been so excellent. Don't add water to it, just blend it and blend until everything is properly blended. This was after blending, and guys, oh my god, the smell is everything. The smell is everything. I kept it very simple, okay, but if you want you can add ginger, garlic, turmeric and just blend everything together, but I want to keep it very simple. So next we are going to freeze this basil. I'm going to use this ice cubes containers and I'm going to put all the blended basil and cover them up and put in the freezer. This was 24 hours later and here we have our basil cubes. Guys, this is very easy to do. If you have any vegetable that you love so much and you know that you use all year round and you can't get them fresh every time, you can just use this method to preserve the vegetables. Something like scent leaf and chow, you can use this method to preserve, especially if you live in diaspora where you don't have access to those vegetables all year round. So I so much love this method. It's very easy to do and it gives me the same flavor and taste each time I use it. Even 1 year later, it still like gives me the typical basil flavor and scent in my Nigerian stews. In case you're wondering how I use those cubes, just throw them into your stews, maybe 1 or 2 cubes depending on the size of stew you are making, and it will dissolve and give you that basil flavor in the stew. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried this method before or if you have a better suggestion for me. Thank you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video.